Okay. There's the cute baby wearing her cherries that Aunt Cheryl gave her. Hey, turn her around so we can see the cherries on her butt.
I'm Ben Stone.
She's got a cherry on her butt. Isn't they cute? You have butt cherries.
I've never met him before.
Mostly
That
dogs.
really sounds like we're doing a poor job of cleaning her then.
Mostly dogs get butt cherries.
Yeah, he came from his house, drove over to our house.
Look at that. Mom, oh, her heel is coming out of her sock, but she got Mommy and Daddy's huge feet, size 6 to 12 months, already in socks. Isn't that right?
Here's something neat. We're gonna have a baby together.
What?
Yeah, baby.
Well, you're not married. Aren't you supposed to be married to have a baby?
You don't have to, Dave.
But they should be, because they love each other.
Ooh.
People who love each other.
Baby likes lights.
Ooh, baby is better
Where
lit.
do you think this is?
Really?
Where do you think they come from? Well, I think a stork, he drops it down, and then a hole goes in your body, and there's blood everywhere coming out of your head, and then you push your belly button, and then your butt falls off, and then you hold your butt, and you have to dig, and you find a little baby. That's exactly right.
Okay, what? I feed your bear the grass? Okay. Now, what your bear would also like to do with some grass. Smoke it.
What do you think of him? He's funny, right?
Fetch. All right, bring it back.
It's playing fetch. My kids. Treating my kids like their dogs.
No, he's not.
Go get it. Fetch.
Kids will fetch.
All right.
He's trying. He's making an effort.
Bring it back.
But wait. What is that?
Baby, if you're watching these someday in the future, that is your favorite pacifier. Well, the pink one was your favorite, but it's missing.